reported at our station. Said that he beat him up and collected his money. But I know he can't do that kind of thing.
Yes, sir. Somebody reported me at your police station.
Yes, sir.
That I stole his money or her money, Abi. As a strong policeman, he came to arrest me. No, arrest me! Arrest me! Come on, get on your knees!
Sorry, sir!
Sorry, sir! Idiot. You do problem with me. Come on! Oya, one will jump. Oya, Akarante! One will jump. One will jump.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir. He came to arrest me.
No, sir.
Come here. Come here. You came to arrest me. You're not arrested.
Sorry, sir.
Have you not finally arrested yourself now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Oya, now arrest yourself to your station.
Thank you, sir.
Come on.
Thank you, sir.
Run. Came to arrest me.
What the?
Do. What else?
What the young day? What day?
Now here talk.
Nigga shouldn't be telling me about drink, man. I don't need this shit for now, man. I'm spitting no shit. Look at me, man. Look at me, Dave. This nigga screwed me up, man. Don't beat me. They humiliated me, man. Don't grab, man. I'ma screw them all up. The gang, the leader, I'ma fuck them up. The cops, they couldn't help me, man. The cops couldn't save my soul. Nigga, all my body aches. All my body aches. Don't get the point.
I still, just relax your mind. Those guys are notorious criminals. And everyone in this town, in this very town, knows them. And I overheard that one of their chairman, had what they call audition. And you don't have to go around and mix yourself with them. You have to go back to where you have life. Go back to your normal life, where you base. Okay? What about this place?
You don't get the point, nigga. In the streets, man, in the hoods where I come from, you can't do this shit to me, man. I'm gonna run you down straight from the up. You can't do no shit to me, man. You don't understand, man. Because of a Benny, a shouty, man, I was humiliated. I was thrown all the way up. Man, ain't gonna happen no more, man. I'm gonna do stuff about it.
If you name so good about that. You better know, but don't know. It seems that every girl you see in this very town, that no one owns them. Look at your body. Look at what they do to themselves. You have to chill. Just relax and go back to your base. That's my advice to you, my brother. I'm through with you.
No, nothing. I'm fine. We thank the gods. I'm fine. It's just that I'm wondering what prompts this August visit to my family. If it is the levy, we have paid our weekly dues to your boys.
Okolowayo, I have not come to collect the weekly security levy. I have come to see my auto.
Okay.
Okwamam Adagiwan. Otom.
Otogi?
Yes. Otom Adagiwan. Amanecha. Odaram. Odimnobi. Please call her for me. Call her for me.
Okwamma. Okwa.
Jiri anwayo abakwarana nwunye the guy mbao. Eh?
Brother, good afternoon. Hey, Papa, I'm almost done with the food. I just want to cut this vegetable and put inside.
Hey, Otonwayo. Eh? Forget everything that you are doing. Leave it. I want to take you out. Eh? Kanga jirin kosaga. How let me spoil you with cash. Eh?
Brother.
Go inside. Eh? Forget everything that you're doing. wear your slippers and come out, look good for your guy. Eh?
Papa.
I said, go away from here. Go away from here. Sharply. Tirani egu kaina ba. Tirani egu. Now, Mamu. Flat. Enjoy the music. Banyo. Na kwaka.
Just be ike, na just ike.
Na chiochi. Stop laughing. Ina kwaka, na chiochi. Potom, I got to go.
Hey. One eje jemba.
Hey. Udeji enwago. Udeji dago na njọ.
Ina bamba.
Mba.
Hey. Nekwe.
God, why do you have to choose a wrong man for my daughter, my only daughter? Hey, Okwamena, oh, can see Jemiri Amakwabu Finanya.
Baby. The might or each. It is quite romantic. It never maga. It never make a lot of. Your mom. So, listen. As your guy in this community, no shaking. Oh my God! Anybody that dares you in this community, tell me. I will flog the person. Oh my God! Do. Huh? Otumkeo. Achalugo. Amama Masramasi. Listen, just name whatever you want. I will do it for you immediately.
I don't want anything now, but if I want something, I'll let you know.
Is it one? How baby? Apunginaya. Oh, you didn't go busy. Can be dona. Negi blessing. They can be dona. Negi blessing. Oh man. Oh the guy named Fego. The guy named Ego Kanko. Egota. Ama pigwe. Mpyagi igwe nweta nko onwere ndị eke nwere ike ijide m. Christmas erugo ka mgbara
Come. The guy, I saw this small boy peeping through the window. Maybe I said this guy will do some crayfish wakao.
Udo! You dey do crayfish for what? You dey do crayfish waka for my domain? Not blood lie. Who sent you? Oh, he dey sue me. Let's go he dey sue me. Even on my domain. Nenyom even with my baby.
No sir. Biko.
Ngodo. Mahige me now. Nyenama AM. One analog. What do I have here? Oh.
I just like you. I like you, man. Let me be cleaning your shoe or your gun because that's all.
Let's go on pimping. Let's go on bashing.
One love.
Come back, oh, my baby.
I beg you, become my God, please, please. Hide it. Mama, no, stop.
What kind of wickedness is this? What kind of wickedness is this?
Ejina, you did this to me. I took ground it all. You took all my belongings.
So after beating you, he collected all your things too?
He took everything, Mama.
Okay. Don't worry. All these bullying will stop. Very soon. Don't worry. Sorry.
What did he? Who did all this to you?
Ejina.
What offense did you commit that led to his doing this to you? Huh?
I did nothing to him. Ejina is just intimidating me, Papa. Ejina is intimidating me. Look at what he did to me, and he took my money, he took my belongings.
Only God knows what happened between two of you. You see, this is what I have been saying. Huh? Stay on your own. Maybe you have joined the Ejina group in terrorizing this community. Stay on your own and find a job for yourself. That's all. Huh? I've said my own.
You said your own.
Yes.
You said your own.
I've said my own.
And Azudo, for once, trust your son. Obugoru so fumbulum bosse, trust your son, and Azudo. Trust your son. What is this?
Keep deceiving this boy. One day the gods will expose you.
Get inside. Get inside with your gods. Gods will one day see you through. On where? On get it. Chiche Kokwaka be nearby.
Ejina thunder will go fire you to do press up. Ejina thunder will go fire you to do press up.
Now what's it go?
DPO, you are welcome.
Igwe,
I say, what are you doing to help this community? You can see now we are scared and we hardly sleep very well in the night. Huh?
Igwe, may you live long. Igwe, my men and I have tried so much to make sure that we arrest this notorious criminal. But one promise I have for the land of Otunkwo is that in 2 weeks, this particular gang, this gang in question, shall be arrested, and we will bring all of them to book. Yes, you all are witnesses to the fact that this gang in question attacked our station and killed some of my men. Well, I've sent a signal across to the headquarters demanding for reinforcement. And I'm sure that when that is done, this gang shall be arrested.
Thank you so much, but we need the results. We need results. We do not want crime to continue increasing in this community.